What kind of plants are those? It looks like watermelons or pumpkins. Okay, let's see what this is.
Самое лучшее лечение геморроя – это живой огурец. Вот он.
Cucumbers! He's saying that the best treatment for hemorrhoids is a living cucumber. What does he do with the cucumber?
Размер его должен быть примерно как толщина большого пальца. Вот.
The size should be about the thickness of a thumb. Okay, I guess he has suffered a lot with hemorrhoids. And the way he got the hemorrhoids is the way he's trying to heal the hemorrhoids, just with a different type of a non-sausage cucumber.
Вот примерно такой. Его нужно очистить, хорошо очистить,
You need
не
to clean it
отрывая
well.
от ботвы. Затем слегка
Without tearing it from the tops? What?
откусить
Lightly bite top.
верхушечку,
The
смочить слюной.
Moisten with saliva? Moisten this with Mango, welcome to the stream. What is...
Смочить слюной задний проход.
Is he gonna do it right there? Because he said that it has to be a living cucumber. You don't need to cut it off from the grass. It has to be living. So I can only imagine his neighbor grandmas yelling at him from above and throwing like buckets of water over him, being like, "Leave my cucumbers alone." Oh no. I wonder if those are even his cucumbers. Maybe he's abusing somebody else's cucumbers. Oh Jesus, this is so wrong.
И вставить, не отрывая от ботвы.
And insert without tearing it off from the top.
Огурец дает прохладу, влажность.
The cucumber gives coolness, moisture,
И, скорее всего, силу земли.
most likely
И
the
геморрой
strength of
проходит
the earth,
очень быстро.
and hemorrhoids go away very quickly. I am pretty sure he's speaking from experience. He's so motivated. He deserves there's 10,000 likes. I cannot. Those are real likes, by the way.